Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with a lot of Colourpop products. I had the opportunity to jump on a sale that they had for Labor Day and I wanted to share some of the goodies with you. I got an amazing highlight, a more matte foundation for my oily skin, and then I'm using some current faves. So if you want to see me put this look together, play with some of the Zodiac palettes, then just keep watching. We are starting with the complexion, and I picked up the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know I have the Pretty Fresh foundation. I also have the sister brand Soul Body foundation, so I thought I would try this one. Let's look at the claims. It says here it is an oil-free, buildable, full coverage foundation formulated with soft, blurring pigments to give you a natural matte finish, no filter needed. I'm out of breath. I just ran downstairs. Okay, so I thought that this might be a better match for me having oily skin. Looks like the shade is a little on the dark side, but we'll make it work. Picking foundation online is not an easy task. Well, other than the shade being a little bit off, I think it looks very nice. I do, I like it. Along with that, I picked up the No Filter concealer. I have it in a white shade that I had picked up at an Ulta Beauty once before, and I use it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, but I picked up a shade that I can actually use as concealer, and it is in the shade, looks like medium 22. We're going to use that as concealer as well as some primer for the eyes. Coverage seems nice. I'm going to set under my eyes with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder, and I'm going to leave the rest of my face alone just for a minute because we have some cream products to go in with. Just to press it in. I'm going to go ahead and set those eyes as well. The T-zone. For bronzer, I have my Soul Body Cream Bronzer, a favorite of mine. This is in the shade Medium. Get this hair out of the way. For highlight, I am excited. I picked up a Soul Body highlight. This is the Shimmering Body Powder highlight. Look how big this is. This is huge. It was inexpensive, and when I swatched it, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It is a rose gold color, and I'm just gonna put my finger in that. Look at that. That shine is amazing. This highlight will last you the rest of your life. I'll probably break it before it expires. But it is, oh my goodness, this is intense. Wow, I know it's a lot, but I love it. For blush, I have the blush stick in, I believe it's in the shade Roosevelt. Yes. So I'm just going to take this, put it on the back of my hand, take my stipple brush, and just pop some on. Complexion is looking great. I'm gonna jump off camera, put some eyebrows on, and I'll be right back. Brows are on. I used a new product for that as well. This is the Jason Wu. This is his Wu Brow Everlasting Love, and it is a gel, and I'm getting used to it. The brows were a journey today, but this is a liquid that I put on my hand and used a brush to put on in conjunction with my NYX Brow Gel. We'll see. I think there's a little bit of a learning curve going on here, but I will get it. But they are on. They look like they're related. We'll take it. Crazy hair. Let's go ahead and finish setting the face because I have those powder products down, going back in with that Wet n Wild, and I want to set this face. We'd already done the T-zone, so now the rest of the face is set. I picked up 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and I'm so torn as to which one to use. They came out with a nude line, all matte colors, and this one is called Dare to Bear, and it is all very cool toned browns. I just think that is absolutely beautiful. The next 2 that I picked up were from their Zodiac line, and of course I had to pick up Big Leo Energy. There is the packaging for this one, and I have a feeling this is the one we're going to use today. And oh my goodness, that is Big Leo Energy. We've got, looks like some oranges, some browns, some yellow, more like a champagne color. Cannot wait to get into that. The last one, I picked Head Capricorn in Charge. My husband is a Capricorn. I am a Leo, and I just loved these colors. I think they are beautiful. I don't think they match our look today, but trust me, we will be playing with these. Today, we're gonna go in with this one. So I'm going to go in with this deepest color. They actually do have names. We're going to go in with this darkest color, and I'm going to go in with my Luxie brush. We're just going to put it in that outer corner, and we're going to work it in. Sort of stamp, small circles, and then start swiping. And then we're just going to blend that out. Now we're going to go in with that yellow shade on the lid, and I do believe it is a shimmer. The texture feels really creamy and nice. Yeah, Colourpop's been killing it with these quads. I am very much enjoying this texture. Let's go in with that orange and just dust it around the top of that brown. I'm going to go in with a E27 from Sigma. Do the lightest amount. I'm going to take a little bit of that darkest brown and take it in the outer corner. This is my Profusion ES6 that I love so much. Very precise. Take that original crease brush and just blend. Gonna make sure that yellow came all the way up to the crease. Just gonna take a flat brush. Make sure we completed our lid with the yellow. Now with that lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with this shade very lightly. Maybe I'll even mix these two. I think that's what I'll do. I'll mix those two and then deepen that outer edge with this one. I'm just gonna tap into the two shades. Now the only shade we didn't use was this one right here. Let me swatch it for you. Check it out. It looks like a peachy shimmer. You know what I'll do? I'll put that on the inner corner. Oh, you know what? I can't. I'm taking this baby right here. Maybe a little brow highlight. Next new product that I picked up was a box of the Lippie pencils. You've got a big range of pencils in here. Looks like a couple shades of pink, some browns, some nudes. And what I thought I would do is experiment a little bit and take one of these and use it as an eyeliner. So like this color right here is probably too dark for my lips. So let's put it on the eyes and see what happens. This is the shade, it's like Control. This is what it looks like. Just going to take a small brush and smudge that out a little bit. I have a waterline pencil, another Colourpop pencil. This one I believe is in the shade Honey Dude. Looks great. I'm going to jump off camera to take care of my mascara and lashes, and we'll be right back to do lips. I am back. I have some of one of my very favorites, Wet n Wild Big Poppa mascara on. It is not quite ready, so we're gonna give it another minute to dry before we add on the Ardel Magnetic Wispies, but we are ready for lipstick. And I have a new Color Lux, I believe that's what this is called. This is their Velvet Blur Lipstick. I thought this was a beautiful shade. That is what it looks like. And for a lip liner, I think I'm gonna go in with this one right here, which is the BFF 2. Let's see. Lipstick feels nice, looks nice. It's a nice brownie nude. I'm enjoying it. I think it's very nice, and I have a feeling that if I let it set for a couple minutes and then blot, that it's going to be very long lasting. Yeah, I just blotted and barely anything came off on the tissue, so yay for that. Let's go ahead and put on the Ardel Magnetic Wispy Lashes. There we go, and the look is done. I really like this Big Leo Energy Eyeshadow. I think it is fantastic. The highlight is probably the standout. Foundation, my face feels matte but not dry. I'll have to keep you updated on the wear of the foundation, but I've been struggling with my oils. If you noticed, I didn't even put a primer on. I am at my wit's end with primers. I picked up the Cover FX mattifying primer because I really enjoyed the blurring one, and it's a no-go. It's a no-go. So my oils have just been coming through so much. Maybe with the winter time it will get a little bit better, but I'm playing with my skincare, trying to get things under control because I don't want to blot 20 times a day, and I do demand a lot out of my makeup. I put it on at 6 a.m. and I wear it until 10 p.m. but you know, blot once or twice is reasonable. More than that is not okay with me. So if you have any tips for controlling that, I would appreciate it. But I am loving this face. I hope it wears a long time. I love the lipstick. The concealer did a great job. I don't believe that I look too dry under my eyes. Everything looks great. Tell me what you think, if you enjoy the look. This Leo baby, I wore this shirt to celebrate all the Leos out there. Comment below if you picked up any of the Zodiac palettes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you join the family. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I'm an over 40 mama that just loves to play with makeup. I love new makeup. I love playing with what I have. So come join me if you want to have some fun. Comment if you have some great, interesting, stretch out of the comfort zone, any kind of ideas that you have for videos in the future. I would love to hear them. I am on Instagram, Jen D Beauty Official. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. I'm back. I forgot one product. I picked up their No Filter Matte Setting Spray, and I am excited to try this stuff. I smelled it and it smells delicious. It smells like citrus. It smells like oranges. It smells so good. Let's see how the spritzer is. My goodness, that is aggressive. We're not putting that directly on the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hand, and then I'm going to use my setting brush. So I'm spritzing the hand, and my hand is soaked. Shaking off the excess, taking my powder brush, and that is a tip that I would tell you if you have an aggressive sprayer, but the product is good. You can either find another bottle for it, or you can spray it on your hand and use your brush. I'll have to keep you posted on my thoughts on it. It's supposed to make a blurring filter and keep you matte, so fingers crossed this goes well. Okay, now we can end the video.